traditional material to find the fish in Cambodia. In Cambodia, mostly the people in Kulen Mountain, when they find the fish, they always use this material. In Khmer, we call press. Press. Yes. They can collect the fish in the water by this material, and we can compare. This not ready, and this one is ready material.
Yeah.
Yes. So they can produce it one or two press for a day, and after they sell press only $10 per material, and they can earn a little bit money. And sometimes they take time to find the fish by this material also. Yes, it's a great creation for the farmer here.
Yeah, with one of this you can catch even 50 small baby fish, I guess. Even 50.
Yes, the baby fish like not big enough, maybe the small one. But the many fish come in this
inside the cage.
Yes, inside the cage.
Wow. You see, guys.
And then have the fish inside, and they get it out like this. They take the coconut. They need to remove the coconut, and they take it out. Hello, I want to introduce you about how the people here and the farmer here, they raise the animal here, like the chicken pen and the pig pen. Yes, like the traditional pen. You see? They produce by the bamboo and the small wood that they can found it around their house, and they raise the chicken like the local chicken like this. Yes.
Wow, you see. I see. There are few more over there. There are a few more.
House for the farmer, they produce the mud, but we try to find, because some farmer they don't produce more of the mud. No market demand, just most of them they stop, and have a few of the farmer they continue to produce the mud here. Hey, now they are she's preparing the roof for her wall, for the wall house, and they want to go through it to throw it out. Just they need to prepare it again to use for her house in the rainy season. Because if she try to do it again, she doesn't want to spend more money to buy it, and it's still available to use it maybe more than 5 years more. Just they need to prepare it. It's a good quality for her. If they buy the new material, maybe do not good like this for her. Just she decided to use the renew it again.
And here we have one more piglet farm. One important note is that the pigs are not fed by any chemical food. Here only they give them banana with rice and some leftover of chicken, which is not the same like feeding them by chemical food. And they can grow them organically, and then they will sell it to someone else who they probably will kill them and bring them to the market.
True condol, mostly the farmer in the Kulin Mountain, they prefer to raise the condol pig. Yeah, because we do not use the chemical feed, and they feed only the banana and rye brands. But it takes a long time to raise it and to harvest it because no protein more, and for the energy food not enough. Just they need to take time to raise it. Yes, and the price is a good price for them.
Yeah. Better they take time to grow, but they grow healthy and organically. And we hate whoever feeds them with chemical food, because this is exposed also our human health to the risk, to the danger. We do complain a lot about cancer diseases, but some people then they don't care. Some people who owns the farm. So good to know, at least that all they use it's a natural process. Thank you, Eileen, for your explanation.